Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. Bright and early. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can feel Betty. Hope everybody's well. It's all good at the household. Let's get it going. Come on. I'll turn this back on. You know the deal. Just sit here for me, just for a little while. That's all I ask. Everything's been going well, better than I expected. I didn't know it was going to be this good. But it's there. So we'll turn this back on as soon as we get to the first pile. Stick with me. All right. It's not a pile, but it's some scrap. There you go. Nope, that's wood. All right. Come on. All right. And away we go. Let's continue. Let's see what else is out there. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like an entertainment center. It does. Is it metal? Yeah, it's metal. It's metal. It has those little weird, what is that? Yeah, it's Allen key or something. All right, no problem. Let's put it in here. Give me just 1 minute. It's like an Allen. Yeah, it's an Allen key. I don't have it with me though. That's okay. No, it's gotta be able to go the other way. Yeah, I think there's plenty of room. Let's see. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh well. There we go. That's gonna be better right there. Yeah. That'll be fine. Let's continue. All right, we got ourselves a washer. Now the dilemma is this big thing. It's not gonna fit sideways, or is it? No. Get the washer in here. Yeah, the washer will fit right in there. Yeah. All right, give me just, well, let's see. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and cut the cord. There we go. Cord's off. Yeah, fit right there fine. Oh, has water in it. Oh my goodness. There we go. put it in just like that. I'm not worried about it. No, let's fix it. Give me a minute. We stood up the washer because if not, we're not gonna fit anything in here. So I got room to put stuff in there. That's not gonna go anywhere. That's all good. Oh, cord. Let's get it and go. Come on. All right, I stopped for a few minutes. I've hit every tree known to man. So we're gonna cut this off. There we go. All right, so we're gonna cut all these off. All right, it's the last one. That's it. I got that tractor cutting grass, so I gotta get out of the way. Let's put this on old Betty. Let's go right there. These are nice for sidewalls. We'll never know. Might do some sidewalls from that. All right. There we go. Yeah, I've been bumping into every tree here, and it kind of got stuck earlier. So I said, you know what? Let me just stop a few minutes. It's not gonna kill us. Stop a few minutes and get this done. Yeah. So we're all set. All I gotta do is tie it down. I'll tie it down again. All right. Again, let's continue. All right, we were flagged down. Gentleman said he got some letter for us. Okay, okay. All right, so let's take these. Let's grab this and go. Started sprinkling a few minutes ago. Let's see if it don't rain. But either way, we'll go as far as we can, and then we'll see from there. Let's load this up until you got some more stuff. Don't look like nothing wrong with the dolly. All right, let's go get the rest. Go ahead, you can just throw it in there anywhere. That's fine. I'll take the tote with you. Give me a minute. Let me just fix this here. So, yeah. All right, we got a whole bunch of tools here and files. Oh, yeah. Bunch of screwdrivers and some good stuff. some good stuff here. We'll just look through them. There we go. I ain't going nowhere. That's good enough. Let's see what else he got. A lot of stuff. All right, I'm gonna take this one.
Okay.
All right, well, the man has given us a whole lot of stuff, but we have no place to put it, so we're just gonna put it right there. We'll organize it when we get to the house. It's raining right now anyway, so I'm not gonna be able to keep scrapping. Yeah, so let me load all this up. All right, here comes the rain. That's that. Okay, let's return this back to the man. All right, we got a generator. Okay.
This is neat carburetor.
Carburetor cleaning or needs a carburetor?
Neat.
Yeah.
Because I don't want them all fix nothing.
I got you.
Very good for you.
All right, we're gonna have to call it. It's raining on and off. My camera didn't want to come on. I got soaked, and the wipers aren't working on Betty. I don't know. I replaced that little motor like 3 or 4 times. So let's just go home, and I gotta clean out the back of Betty. There's tools everywhere. So yeah, let's go home. All right, we got that almost full. We found a whole bunch of chisels and caster wheels. These caster wheels, I sell them all the time. I sell them by the set, and they buy them. So yes, we're getting there. We are getting there. So, all right, we're headed to the scrapyard. Headed on over to the scrapyard. We got to throw away these 2 pieces of wood. We got a bunch of good chisels, what we've been looking for. We don't have to buy them. And tools galore. And when I get back, I got to finish. All right, so, yeah, let's go. All right, we are here. Let's get old Betty unloaded. Let's see what we got. Let's see here. 3840, 3840, 3820. That's it. Let's go. All right, let's get Betty unloaded. Yeah.
What's happening, man?
What's going on, man?
All this money you're making.
Yeah. Staying busy.
You got a big load here?
No, there's no big load today.
Big load.
Just a couple of things.
Just a couple, huh?
Yeah. You know how it is. Oh. Come on. This is gonna stay. Oh. All right, we'll clean this out later. Let's roll. Let's weigh out. Yeah, 3,500. 3,500 it is. All right, thank you. All right, let's roll. All right, so we came in at 3,820, left at 3,500. 320 pounds at 6.25, 20 bucks. 20 bucks it is. All right, so that was a quick one. It started raining. We couldn't do anything else. So, yeah, that's it. To the next one. Treasure Coast Scrapper. Thank you very much.